Yo, welcome back to another quick Flutter tutorial. This tutorial is going to about neumorphism UI. So we are going to make a neumorphism container like convex and embosses. My main dot, my main function, run app, my app, and returning a material app. So there is my home page, and on my home page import a package, my home page class, a stateful widget, and returning a blank scaffold. So let's go to our package. First package is Flutter Neumorphism, and this is our first package. Let's copy it and go to puxpack.yaml file, paste it in our dependencies. Now our next package is Flutter inserts box shadow. We use this package because Flutter did not support the inserts property, so we have to use this package, paste it in dependencies of puxpack and pubget. Now in my body, a container widget, width of 200 and height of 200, colors dot black. After coloring the container, we can see it on the left top corner of the screen. So we have to wrap container with a center widget. That's nice. Now we have to pass a decoration and box decoration. Border radius property, border radius dot circular. Oops, it shows an error. Let's check what is this error says. And this error says that you cannot pass a color to container when the box decoration is already available. So you can see that. That's great. So we have to pass a property of box shadow, and box shadow have a list. So in a list we have to pass a parameter of box shadow and a property blur radius is blur, and offset is minus distance, and color of colors dot black dot with opacity 0.5. So we have to define blur and distance. So we have to define express property like this, and a value of offset along x-axis and y-axis. That's cool. So there is an error of expressed, so we have to define expressed like this. So we set as false. and then we have to define blur. Double blur equal to is pressed and its values. As you see, all the error gone. That's good. Let's import the package of Flutter inserts box shadow. That's great. And we can see two errors. These errors shows us that box shadow as well as box decoration is not a function, and although package contains these properties, that's why this error shows. To solve this error, we have to hide these properties and list from one package, like that way. Now, cool. Let's copy this box shadow and its all property and paste it over here. After this, we have to make a if condition. Depth is greater than and equal to 0, and then copy and paste all the properties of my box shadow. Now we have to define depth. Double depth is equal to is pressed. To solve this error, we have to remove parentheses. Now we have to doing same function by my if condition, and copy and paste all the box shadow properties outside the box shadow, and in my child a center widget, and I have to pass an icons dot apple to make our UI looking pretty well. Like this, and size of 80. Color, we are using is press property. Like this. So I have to pass my color properties as a ternary operator. Now let's restart the app. Now our Apple logo shows. It's looking pretty. Now I am wrapping my container with the animated container to show you some animations. Animated container requires a duration property, so we have to define duration. in milliseconds like this of 600. So we have to wrap our animated container with a widget named as gesture detector. So it detect over clicked. So when I click or tap on my container, it detects the tap, and we have to set state, and in my set state a fat arrow, and define a isPressed property. IsPressed is equal to is not isPressed. That's great. And performing a hard restart. Let's wait and check it. It's working pretty well. Now you can see the code and putting a const over here. Yo guys, I hope that you will enjoy this video and hope you will subscribe my channel also and like this video.